The Chariot, 7th number card of the Major Arcana. This card shows your control, willpower, action, movement, success, your determination. Sometimes it shows the opposition, lack of direction, self-discipline, such kind of thing. So when you'll just look into the picture, what we can see, a warrior ready inside a chariot, 2 crescent moon over his shoulders, which shows his intuition. We can see on his both the shoulders 2 crescent moons are there. There is a square on his dress. We can see the tunic on his dress. There is a square made on his chest. His dress shows his strength. You can see how nicely he dressed up, as if he is ready to the fight. He is ready to take any challenges. He is wearing a crown which shows his victory and success. He is not holding any reins, you can see, for controlling these 2 sphinx. Instead, he is holding wand in his hands, which represents his control over his mind and his willpower as well. The stars on the canopy, which indicates his connection with the divine and the celestial world also. The sphinx, their black and white color, it shows duality. Their direction, if you observe properly, what we can see, they are pulling in opposite direction, but the person is controlling them by using his willpower. The river behind him, which shows emotions, but it also shows you need to be in line with rhythm of your life while deciding your goals or future plans. When this card comes in a reading, it shows action, movement. It also shows you need to be aware about your surroundings. It talks about your willpower and determination. If you are working on any plan, it shows you need to work on your plans to get success instead of thinking and planning only. Challenges will also come in near future, so your journey is going to be difficult. That is what analysis and proper awareness is required before moving forward. In a reading, this card shows travel. Sometimes it shows distraction also, because your eye is on another proposal. In career reading, sometimes it shows change in job also, or you are ready to switch, or could be you are planning to switch your job. Sometimes it also shows unknown obstacles, so you have to analyze the situation well, or else it is possible you are letting obstacles get in your way. So basically this card is for the awareness. When this card comes in a reading, it talks about awareness. Be aware of your surroundings. This card also shows spiritual transformation.